Hello, this is Install Drivers, and in this video you will learn how to change the password of your Wi-Fi in a fast and very simple way. Before starting, if you want to know more tricks like these, subscribe. The first step you should do is find out what your default gateway is. To do this, you will go to the notification panel and activate your Wi-Fi. If it is disabled, you will activate it. Once activated, you are going to press and hold on the Wi-Fi shortcut, and this will take you to a section like this. Once here, there are two ways to know what your default gateway is. I will tell you one first and then the other. The first is to select the network you are connected to and you want to change the password for, and this will take you to a section like this. In this section then, you will go to the part that says Gateway. Now I want you to see something. Above the gateway is the IP address. So, if you look, the IP and the gateway are the same, only that in the end the gateway ends with a 1 instead of all the numbers that the IP has. It is important that you have this in mind for the second method that I will show you to know your default gateway. In case you cannot access this option as I showed you, then, from your cell phone you will be able to see a menu here. You will unfold it and choose the advanced option. Once this is done, you will go to the bottom and you will be able to see your IP. When you know your IP, you know how to decipher your gateway. It's just the same as your IP, but in the end a 1. With this data, now, you will go to your preferred browser. In my case, mine is Google Chrome. In the browser, you're going to go to the address bar and you're going to type exactly your default gateway and go to it. Once here, you will see an interface that will depend exclusively on the manufacturer of your router. Something that you can see is that it will ask you for a username and password to log in. These are usually admin, both the user and the password, but if they are not, you should simply look at the brand and model of your router, which you can see from the bottom, top, or in the name of the browser tab. So, with this information you will go to Google and write default username and password for your router. And as you can see, in my case it is admin. Already inside the configuration interface, which will be different according to your manufacturer, you should look for the Wi-Fi option. It can be in different places, but I will show you where you can find it. In my case, I can select this shortcut, which will take me directly to the Wi-Fi configuration of my router, and from here I can change the password. I just have to write and hit save. If I don't have a direct access, nothing happens. I just have to go to the advanced configuration and from here, identify the Wi-Fi section, and once in it, I only have to select it, write the password I want, and then hit save. In my case I won't, since I'm doing this just to teach. For now, if you want to learn more, watch this video and don't forget to leave without subscribing.